Okay, this is a quick little intro. Summer has hit, so I'm going to be sitting at my desk. Multiple sclerosis is decreasing my mobility while the temperature is high. It's a problem I can't deal with. So I'm going to recut some old videos, and this is one of them. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you when the weather cools off, and I'll do some more new content. Right, so quirky problem today. We have an infrared perimeter beam on our property, and normally you can turn it on and off with a switch under here, which normally triggers it to alert the doorbell so that people can't sneak in and turn it off without me knowing. But at the moment, it's not turning off at all, or at least it seems to be now. No matter what position the switch is in, it's still sort of working, which we have had some very heavy rain, and I think with hot box, cold rain, it might have sucked water in again. So we're going to chop these zip ties, open it up and see what's going on. Well, the zip ties needed replacing anyway. I'm not going to turn this upside down just yet, but I do see water dripping out of it. So I think I may be right about the water. I did position things in this box up high in case this sort of thing ever happened. But it might be that I have to drill a drain hole in it. Yep, it's full of water. Surprised it's still working. Alright. Yep, so as expected, well, it's got some stuff going on here. Alright. So let's, it's live at the moment, so it's only 12 volts, but let's run some water dispersant over this. Try and clean all that out a bit. Alright. See if it does its programmed design feature. Well, I guess I'm going to leave this sit in the sun and dry out now, and we'll come back in a bit. Now, I'm going to drill a couple of drainage holes in the bottom here, with the hope that it both reduces the pressure differential and gives the path, water a path to go. Because it could be just that this is a properly sealed box, and that's what causes the problem. A couple of holes in the bottom, and let the water out next time. And it is hot, and multiple sclerosis is giving me the shakes right now, because I'm heat affected because of that. That will work. Now we'll leave this thing dried out for a bit. It's not quite turning off properly still. That switch will need to be replaced, but for the moment we'll leave that turned on. That should reduce the corrosion in the switch. It is still not functioning quite right. We may actually end up having to take this out of service.
1 hour later.
Okay, I sourced myself a replacement switch. I'm going to change that first. I think things are mostly working now. Yep, it's working mostly as intended now, so we're going to replace this switch. Pop you out. I'm going to get in and trim all this grass down. That solder is mighty corroded. It's had some water in there for a while by the sound of it, I think. Alright. Alright. Go. Alright. We'll let it fire up and then we'll give it a test run. See what happens. Alright. So now, should do a random delay and then flash the lights. There we go. It's working. Alright. Drainage holes to the bottom. Now, re-tin the iron, give it a clean up. Right. I haven't got much of my good expensive aluminium foil tape left, but I do have gaffer tape. So hopefully that keeps some of the water out of the top. Now I've got to zip tie the thing back. It's a mess here, I know, but it's always a work in progress. Alright, we are done. Hope it was an interesting quick one, but it's the stuff I do every day.